Nhớ trong tối nay sẽ đời luôn bị hùa Mayder Lor nu na bị yo tua cao lý do tâm hồn. Hello everyone, my name is Mayder Lor and today we are going to make papaya salad, also known as cao in Hmong or tâm hồn in Thai. Alright, so today for our recipe, this is what we have. Some unripe papaya that's shredded, tomatoes that are halved, 8 of them. We have eggplants and we're using 2 of them sliced. We're using 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of crab paste and shrimp paste mixed, fish sauce, 1 garlic clove, and 3 Thai chili peppers. So the first thing you're going to do is make sure that you have your pestle and your mortar. You're going to take your garlic and your 3 peppers and you're going to crush them. Afterwards, you're going to mix your paste, but what you want to do first, sugar, your lime juice, again 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of your fish sauce, the crab and shrimp paste, 1 tablespoon of that. Then you're going to mix it a little bit. Then you add your tomatoes, and the tomatoes are actually going to give it the extra juice. 2 things that are actually optional as well too is if you don't want to use lime juice, you can actually use slices of lime, and you can use a sauce that's actually called badek too. So after you have your sauce and your tomato crushed, mixed very, very well, you're going to want to add your papaya, the shredded unripe papaya. This is 3 cups as well. And after that, you can add your 2 sliced eggplants. And you're going to pound and mix very, very well. And you're going to want to be very careful because, again, we put 3 peppers in here, right? The 3 peppers, so you don't want that splattering on you. And this is such a beautiful dish. You can also add eggplants and long beans, but today I just used the eggplants as a little extra. And this is something that you can serve with a side of sticky rice, or some people even use pork rinds and also cabbage. All right, we're about finished. So when you're done, make sure you scrape everything because the best part is actually the sauce at the end too. And voila, papaya salad.